Hello everyone, hope you're all fine and having a lovely day. Welcome back to my kitchen by Nana. So as I promised in the last video that I would be sharing a fish curry recipe, I'm here to share it with you today. So what we need is fresh fish, finely washed and dry. We need it to be dry. So I'm going to marinate the fish with salt, turmeric, paprika and fish curry, and I'm going to let it marinate for about 15 minutes. It is a very simple recipe and takes a very short time to cook. As you all know, fish cooks for a very short time, and you can have it for lunch, you can have it for dinner. I had mine with rice. You know, curries are very good with rice. So now I'm sprinkling the powdered ingredients on the fish, and I'm going to rub them onto the fish on every side of the fish. After 15 minutes of marinating the fish, I'm pouring some oil on my pan and let it heat up. Then you place the fish onto the pan. Do it very careful because you don't want the oil to splash on you. So I'm going to be frying it until it's dry on top. So I'm going to be using the same pan to fry the rest of the ingredients that I'm going to use in the fish curry. After cooking all the ingredients together, add the fish to the pan that has the ingredients, and then I'm going to let it cook for about 10 minutes on low heat. I'll also be adding some water because I need more curry, and it's a very nice curry, by the way. You should try it, and I hope that you've liked the video. Thank you for watching it. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to My Kitchen by Nana. Have a lovely day.